Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon, Maggie. Hey, welcome back to my series, and this is John-Marc, and we're going to be working on Maggie. I just created a Homer Simpson little drawing lesson, and on my comments I mentioned which favorite character do you have, and one of my fans said Maggie. So here you go, my fan, here's Maggie. Alright, so as you might have noticed, the first thing I did was create the head, very lightly the crosshair to help me with the eyes and the positioning of them, as well as the body, and a little action line to show where the arms and hands are going to be. And right now I'm just working on the eyeballs, as you may see, and its uniqueness about the characters of Simpsons, that their eyeballs are not centered. They're not like staring at the same spot. They're kind of like off center. Kind of fun. Alright, so here's Maggie. Got her eyelashes going on. Okay, let's get the ear in the right position right now. Okay, kind of off-center for traditional cartoons. Again, this is a unique style. I can see Maggie there with her brother Bart and Lisa now. Kind of fun. Alright, let's get back drawing. And there we go, a little rounded curve there. And I was viewing model sheets that I have on the side when I'm working with this one. This is not by memory. Okay. And model sheets do help. You get the full roundabout of the character. Okay. Let's get the top of her hair. Okay, there we go. Working all the way to the last one. There, one more behind, that's smaller. And there, looking good. This isn't that hard of a character to do as much. Now, what I will say is when I'm working on the body on her little dress, it's kind of like a big puffy cloud. You'll see when I start working on it. Okay. And there we go. Just think of it as a big puffy cloud. There we go, all the way around, get to the other side. Working out on their arms right now. And the other arm. And I will be inking this in Illustrator again. And coloring in Photoshop. But when I'm inking little Maggie again, I'm going to do the same style that I did with Homer Simpson. The pen tool I'm going to use is more like a rapidograph. It's going to be a solid weight, so it's not going to go thick and thin. Traditionally, more like what the animation at times have done on inking and painting of animation cells. Alright, working on her fingers. Giving that little indent, like her hands wide open. Other side. She wants a big hug. That's what she wants. Okay, let's work on the second one there and the third and finishing that one up. And looking good. Alright, now sign it and date it. And one more you can say you complete. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check us out on Facebook. That's JMG Studio. And on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.